Hello children, today I'll be reading a comprehension from your textbook, okay? This is passage 1 from page 41. Read the passage and answer the questions given below. I'll be only reading the passage. I want you all to answer the questions. I'm not giving the answers this time. The kingfisher is a small to medium-sized colorful bird, generally found close to water bodies. There are nearly 100 different species of kingfishers around the world. Okay, this passage is about the bird called kingfisher. Okay, kingfishers feed mainly on fish, but also eat insects, frogs, and crayfish. Kingfisher species that live in the woodlands occasionally eat reptiles, birds, and even small mammals. There are three main types of kingfishers around the globe: river kingfishers, tree kingfishers, and water kingfishers. All of them have large heads, long, sharp, and pointed bills, short legs, and stubby tails. Kingfishers are well known for their brightly colored feathers that range in color from black to red to green. Some species of kingfisher have tufts of feathers on their heads that stick upwards, although many species of kingfishers have smooth, flat feathers that cover their bodies. Due to their generally small size, kingfishers have many predators wherever they exist around the world. Okay, they are colorful and bright birds. Okay, they are small. Okay, since they are small, the other birds feed on them. Okay, other predators, okay, the other creatures around them try to catch them because they are very small and easy to be caught. And there are different species. Okay, the main predators, that is the ones which prey on them, the ones which attack them, of the kingfishers are foxes, raccoons, cats, and snakes. Okay, all these animals feed on the kingfishers. But kingfishers are also preyed upon by other small mammals and large birds. Many species of kingfisher are considered to be threatened species. Threatened means they are slowly disappearing from the earth, as their numbers have been declining due to habitat loss. Though these threatened kingfisher species inhabit woodlands and forests, their habitat is being destroyed due to the deforestation that occurs in many areas around the world. Okay, children, you must be aware. Okay, deforestation is nothing but cutting down of the trees. And then water bodies, they need water. Okay, since they feed mainly on fish, they live in places where there is lot of water. And what will happen if due to deforestation? Okay, they'll be occupying lands and even water bodies. People start building houses and do all that. So there is threat to many of the species of kingfishers. Okay, I want you all to write the answers in your classwork. Okay, read the comprehension carefully once or twice. Okay, and then you can answer the questions. They are very simple questions. Okay, I'm not going to send them to you on the classroom. You have to answer them and write it in the notebook. And those who have submitted their classworks, it will be corrected and given to you by tomorrow. Okay, thank you.